semi-structured problem. As you have seen in the last part, that decision support systems are defined as the class of data warehouse system that deals with solving semi-structured problem. So DSS always tries to solve a semi-structured problem. So a semi-structured problem is the problem where we have some structured component as well as some unstructured component. Means the unstructured component involves human intuition and requires human interaction with the DSS, and the well-structured component of a DSS are the decision rules stored as a problem processing system. So two parts. Unstructured one will involve a human being, a human's intuition, and the well-structured one will just involve some decision rules that are stored as the problem processing system. So the intuitive or creative component is left to the user, means the unstructured component. Clear? So let's see semi-structured problems examples that will help us to understand it better. One example is, say, choosing a site for a factory. Choosing a site for a factory. This is a semi-structured problem. This is a non-recurring problem because, of course, it is you are not going to choose a factory site everyday basis. Am I right or wrong? Okay, at least I'm not going to choose a site everyday basis. This is a non-recurring problem, and that has some structured components also. Structured components like cost of land, availability of workers, like this. But we have a lot of other unstructured components in this decision, like quality of life. Okay, on that side, what will be the quality of life? Clear? So this choosing a site for a factory is a semi-structured problem. Now, I want one more example of semi-structured problem, and that is the question for today's lecture. You need to give an example of a semi-structured problem and you comment it. And I want some unique example from each of you. And guys, take this seriously. Okay, I'm monitoring all of you. I want separate unique examples from your side. Then only I can understand that you are really gaining this terminology as well. Okay, so I hope that's enough for today's lecture. This part 1, part 2, and this is the part 3 actually, but we have already part 1 and part 2. So this part 1, part 2, part 3, we dealt with the definition of DSS and some important terminologies like different types of decisions. Okay, and lastly we have seen semi-structured problem, means when we try to define DSS with respect to data warehouse. And we have found that DSS is designed to solve a semi-structured problem in a data warehouse. Well, that's it. I will go through each of your comment and we'll meet in the next lecture very soon. Till then, take care. I'm signing out. Bye-bye.